Bitcoin fans like to point out that, like gold, the cryptocurrency is a limited supply. Its protocol specified that only 21 million Bitcoin will ever be mined, with the last bunch due in the middle of the 22nd century. A fixed supply said Bitcoin ensured that, unlike ordinary currencies, it will not be eroded by inflation. But what else? The supply of Bitcoin may be limited. That of the cryptocurrencies is not. Bitcoin's protocol is open source, so there's nothing to stop the idea. And they have done with gusto. So far, thousands of different cryptocurrencies has been launched. Like Bitcoin, it has proved attractive to spectators. For example, XRP, issued by Ripple, a payment firm, rose from less than 1 cent to touch 3.46 in January this year. The magnitudes vary, but the price movements of cryptocurrency tend to be correlated. When Bitcoin is rising, the so-called altcoins tend to rise as well, and vice versa. Some of these altcoins are shady. Several projects has actually been called Ponzi coining, and one in 2014 seems to have done exactly what is promised, advertising 120% annual return before falling soon after enough suckers have bought in. Some have made as joke. Dogecoin is based on internet meme involving a Shiba dog that went virtual in 2013. Even so, 2017 its price surged along with that of all the other cryptocurrencies, from 0.0002 to 0.0.1, an 85-fold increase. Dogecoins currently in circulation are worth a nominally 267 million. Some altcoins, though, are sincere attempts to fix some of the Bitcoin perceived problem. One of these is that Bitcoin is not truly anonymous. Part of it can be tied to a user's real identity. The blockchain will reveal every transaction in which he received these coins. Zcash, Dash, and Monero are all cryptocurrencies that aim to give users more privacy. Monero in particular quickly became a popular alternative to Bitcoin in some of the less celebrated corners of the internet. Stablecoins such as Base, Carbon, and Tether, meanwhile, attempts to tap the volatility that makes cryptocurrencies attractive to spectators. Tether claims that each of its coins is backed by US dollar. Although 2.5 million Tether coins are currently in circulation, in 2017 the firm promised to hire external auditors to prove that it does, in fact, has a pile of real cash back these coins. In March this year, still without an audit, it announced it has parted ways with the firm it has hired. In December 2017, the government of Venezuela, country in deep economic trouble, announced it was created the peso, a cryptocurrency supposed backed by the country's large oil reserve. It was designed in part to circulate American sanctions. Nicolas Maduro, the country's president, claimed the price of the petrol has risen 775 million in previous foreign currency on the day it launched. Many cryptocurrencies, though, go nowhere. Deadcoins.com, a site that keeps track of moribund ones, lists about 900 coins that has been abandoned by these creators or their users. The best known and the most interesting twist on Bitcoin's original idea is Ethereum, the brainchild of a Bitcoin entities, Vertex Burning. It was launched in 2015. Its main innovation is to allow the computer code smart contract to reside on its blockchain. That code will be run in predefined circumstances against a small payment in either to compensate the owner of which computer ended with run the program. These programs code interact with each other, which makes it possible to contract complex distribution blockchain power distribute apps that in theory make Ethereum a more generalized system than Bitcoin. The Bitcoin blockchain is designed to do just one job, serve a ledger for electric cash. An Ethereum that could be written do the same thing. Others are possible too. Golem, for instance, a strong-powered project launched this year, designed to create a decentralized supercomputer for user rewards for putting their computer spare capacity to work for other people. That has led to excited talk of Ethereum itself become sort of world computer you can shut down, or even Web 3.6 on top of which could be built decentralized, user-controlled version of everything from Facebook to Skype. For a world worried about the power of big internet firms, that could be an attractive prospect. Ethereum smart contracts started on a moderate scale, involving things like automatic casino and lottery, that have become grander. The decentralized authorization, for instance, founded in 2016, was designed as an automatic investment fund. It ends up a cautionary tale about difficulty of write back free code. Despite such features as flexibility, the small contract has made Ethereum the platform of choice for all sorts of blockchain power experiments. It has also provided a means to pay for them, using such crypto coins, which instead of running on the old blockchains, piggyback on the Ethereum one. It was turbulent in idea called coin offering, formed